Inside the rubber tire factory, how tires are built.
Welcome to one of the world's most advanced tire manufacturing facilities. I'm Marcus, and I've been engineering tires for 15 years.
Rubber compounding is chemistry in action. The bead is the tire's anchor point. These steel wires must withstand tremendous forces, up to 2.
Status update on line 3. We're showing a delay on the transfer arm.
Copy that. Adjusting the timing sequence now.
Plies and beads form the tire's foundation. This structure must maintain shape under load while flexing naturally during rotation. Steel belts are the tire's armor. They stabilize the tread, improve handling, and enable high-speed capability while maintaining ride comfort. The green tire contains all components, but lacks structural integrity. Curing transforms this assembly into a
The curing mold is a precision tool costing $15,000 to $50,000. Every detail, from tire size mark.
Vulcanization is discovered by Charles Goodyear in 1839, revolutionized rubber. Heat, pressure, and sulfur. Uniformity testing identifies tires that would cause vibration. Even small variations undetectable by eye create noticeable problems at highway speeds.
X-ray inspection catches internal defects invisible to the eye.
Destructive testing validates our manufacturing process. These sacrificed tires provide data, ensuring the thousands of others perform safely.
Checking the parting line now. Looks clean. Tread wear is perfect. This one is a grade A.
Every day, we ship 45,000 tires to tire shops, car dealers, and retailers worldwide. Precise logistics.
Our integrated network spans 87 countries, shipping 16 million tires annually.
We've got the balancing complete and the torque set.
It feels incredibly smooth.
Great job.
We take these large pieces of scrap rubber and process them into this fine powder. 96% is diverted from landfill.
The tensile strength on the guile composite is holding steady.
That puts us right on target for the 28% bio-based goal.
We've journeyed through every stage of tire manufacturing, from raw rubber compounds through building, curing, testing, and distribution.
An engineering marvel. The inner liner ensures an airtight seal, while the body plies provide crucial
Tire safety tips for viewers. Check pressure monthly. The correct PSI is on the door jamb sticker. Also inspect tread depth.
The future of tires is being engineered today.